Okay, loading the film into this camera. First we're going to pop the back open. Now, the film goes in this end, so we push that up. Right, so far very, very simple. However, you have to remember that there is a little, I don't know what you call it, a bit that sticks out here. So this goes under, the leader goes under this flap. It has to also get under this bit here before it can engage on the sprockets. And as you can see, I would normally close the camera up at this stage, but as you can see, this is the way it winds on. A bit tight. Now, I know that it's done correctly because this end will turn around as well. Okay, so I take the pictures, I wind onto the end of the film. When I want to rewind the film, I have to depress this little button here, which releases the clutch inside the camera. And then I can fold this lever out and wind it back. There's a little arrow on there to tell me where to wind it back. And eventually, I get to the bit where it becomes really stiff, then it becomes really easy. And at that point, if I then pop the back open again, I've got the film. To get the film out of the camera, I pull the rewind knob up and it is done. Easy as that.